To center text in Google Sheets, first click and drag to select the cell or range of cells you want to format. Then look up at the toolbar and click the button that has horizontal lines of text aligned to the left. That's the horizontal align button. A small menu will drop down, and from there you simply click the option labeled Center. That's it. Your selected cells will instantly snap into centered alignment. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's dive into the details so you can master this formatting and avoid the common mistakes that trip people up. You need to start by opening Google Sheets and signing into your Google account. If you're already in your browser, just type sheets.google.com, and your account credentials will usually be recognized automatically. Once you're in, open the specific spreadsheet you want to edit. You can do this from the main dashboard by clicking on the file name, or if you're working from a shared link, it might already be open in your browser. Now, selecting the right cells is where most beginners make their first mistake. They either click just one cell when they meant to format a whole column, or they highlight more than they need. Use your mouse to click and hold on the top left cell of your intended selection, then drag to the bottom right cell. You can also hold down the Shift key and click the corners of the range if you're working with a large block of data. For non-adjacent cells, say you want to center text in cells A1, C1, and F1 but not B1, hold down the Control key on Windows or the Command key on Mac while clicking each cell individually. Before you apply any formatting, it's a good habit to verify that the correct cells are selected. Look at the highlighted area on your sheet. It will have a distinctive blue border around the entire selection, and the active cell within that selection will be white. This visual confirmation saves you from accidentally centering the wrong data, which can be confusing later if you're sharing the sheet with a team. Once you're sure, go ahead and click that horizontal align button on the toolbar. It's located in the middle of the toolbar, between the font size dropdown and the text wrapping button. When you click it, you'll see three options: left, center, and right. Choose center. Your text will move to the immediate middle of each selected cell horizontally. After that, it's smart to review the selected cells to confirm the text is centered horizontally. You'll see the text is no longer flush against the left edge or the right edge. It's nicely balanced in the middle. This is perfect for headers like column titles or row labels, where readability and a clean aesthetic matter. But if you want to take it a step further, you can also center the text vertically. Click the vertical align button, which is right next to the horizontal align button on the toolbar. It looks like lines of text stacked vertically with arrows. From the drop-down menu, select middle, not top or bottom. This aligns the text in the exact vertical center of each cell, so if your cells have different row heights, the text won't sit at the top or the bottom, but right in the middle. Review the updated alignment now. Your text should be perfectly centered both left to right and top to bottom within each cell. This double centering is especially useful for dashboards, scorecards, or any spreadsheet where you want data to look tidy and professional. One common pitfall I see is people applying horizontal centering but forgetting to adjust row height, which can make the vertical centering look off. If your row heights are too small, even vertical centering won't look great, so you might need to right-click the row number, choose Resize Row, and increase the height manually. Also, keep in mind that centering text only affects the display. It doesn't change the actual data in the cell. If you later sort or filter the data, the centering stays applied, which is convenient. Now, if you need to repeat the process for other cells, it's much faster to use the Format Painter. Select a cell that already has the correct centering applied, click the paint roller icon on the toolbar, and then click and drag over the cells you want to format. This copies the alignment formatting instantly. Alternatively, you can set up a custom format by going to Format in the top menu, then Conditional Formatting, and applying a rule based on specific conditions, like always centering cells in a certain column that contain the word total. That's an advanced trick, but it saves time on big sheets. An important detail about Google Sheets is that it automatically saves your formatting changes the moment you make them. There's no save button to press, and no risk of losing your work if you close the tab. So after you center your text, you can immediately continue editing your worksheet without any extra steps. For example, you might start entering new data in the newly centered columns, or adjust cell borders to complement the centered text. You should also know that centering text will not mess up formulas or cell references. Formulas like sum or average calculate based on cell locations, not text alignment, so you're safe there. You have successfully centered text in Google Sheets. What you've done is apply horizontal and optionally vertical centering to make your spreadsheet look organized and intuitive to read. A practical next step is to combine this with bold formatting or cell background colors to create a consistent header style across all your sheets. If you ever need to undo the centering, just select the cells again, click horizontal align and choose left, or click vertical align and choose top to return to the default. Feel free to save this video or bookmark this explanation so you can come back to it anytime you need to polish a spreadsheet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.